I'm a photographer, content creator, and gamer based in Dubai. I am Jruzz, and here's my gameplay. My day starts with regular office work. I also use this time to engage with my followers on Instagram. But that's just the warm-up. My day really begins when I start creating content. My life is mostly on the go, so I need gears that are fast and powerful enough to keep up with my pace. The Zephyrus G14 Acrnm packs enough punch to allow me to edit my content with great ease. The light and compact build means I can take it with me anywhere and anytime. And this anime matrix feature is super rad. It never fails to impress and make people go wow. And when the work is done, the playtime begins. The Zephyrus G14 Acrnm is an amazing gaming buddy. I have a life that balances work and play. And with the help of my Zephyrus G14 Acrnm, I play to win.